Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is March 9th, and I'm doing a review and outlook for the price of silver. This is the silver 4-hour chart. Real quick, before I go over the review, I wanted to let anybody who saw the last video know that I'm using OANDA charts this week. The FXCM, the charts that were in the last video, they show the same price movements that the OANDA charts do, but oddly enough, TradingView removed the silver chart from FXCM from their list of chart availability. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I was moving around my symbols here, and I had accidentally hit the X on the chart for the FXCM for silver, and I totally deleted my chart. And I tried to bring it back up, and I can't find it. I put in a support ticket with TradingView, and they haven't answered to me yet. So I don't know what's going on with FXCM, but I'm just going to go with the OANDA. The data is the same as in the last chart from last video. So to get on to the review, we have this narrow pattern here. It's a falling wedge. I showed it to you in the last video. And as you can see, the price of silver broke it basically as a contingency of time. It just moved, broke it as it moved sideways. I had basically said in the last video that the price of silver should move higher. We should see a bounce, which it did, but we didn't see it happen until Friday when the bad jobs report came out. And also what happened on Friday was more uncertainty over the trade talks between China and U.S. Looks like now there's not going to be a confirmation of any trade deal at the end of March. It looks like we may see something out of April, but there's a lot more uncertainty about this trade war ending, at least by the end of this month. We'll have to find out more as time goes by, but that also brings uncertainty into the market and helps the price of silver move higher. So, and as the price of silver moved down as the week progressed last week, we saw the price of silver confirm basically it moved down below the 1503 level and basically confirmed the $15 level. And it also made a new support level out of the 1522 price level as well. So I will add that to the next price chart video that I do for silver. For the outlook, we still have the falling wedge. It's a little broader this time, but it's still very relevant, still can be drawn. It's butted up against the high of Friday. Right here, you can see it's butted up against that high, but more or less this week I see some consolidation out of silver, out of the price rise. We should probably see some consolidation and then another leg higher for it. So it may test the 1545 level and it may rise above it. Time will have to tell on that one, but I do expect the falling wedge to be broken. So I thank you for your time. I look forward to talking to you again next weekend. Take care and God bless.